In this video series, I will show you through photos how I built my pool. Unfortunately, as is often the case with me, I was already fully engaged when it occurred to me to document the process with photos. I used my old paving stones to temporarily protect the surrounding fences during the excavation process. The space for the excavation quickly became a problem. Therefore, I had to arrange for a 7.5 and 2 dumpster to be brought in first. On the same day, my friends and I managed to fill up the first dumpster. We accomplished this by using shovels and wheelbarrows, as the limited space in my small garden didn't allow for the use of large machinery. Unfortunately, at that point, the hole wasn't deep enough. Therefore, we had to accumulate more soil in the garden to reach the desired depth. But once that was done, I was able to have coarse gravel stones delivered to the site as well. After completing this laborious task as well, the entire area could be compacted using a compactor, vibratory plate compactor, for better stability. Next, a construction film was placed on top, along with spacers for the following 2 layers of reinforcement grids. Everything was neatly tied together using wire. Once a temporary slide was quickly built, it was time for the concrete to arrive. After it had dried, I was able to use a grinder to smooth the concrete floor, ensuring that there would be no rough surfaces that could potentially damage the pool liner. This way, everything would be nice and smooth. Next on the agenda was the connection to the garden house. Here I planned to accommodate the entire pump and filtration system, which turned out to be a great idea in terms of reducing the noise level when the pump is running. In addition to the 2 large pipes for the 15 PVC inlet and outlet to the pool, another pipe was installed for backwashing the filter, and a separate pipe was laid for filling the pool. I cut a hole in the floor of the garden house and passed the pipes through into the interior. Later, the area around the pipes was closed off again to conceal them. Then it was time to assemble the pump, filtration system, and UV disinfection unit. Everything was securely glued together with 15 PVC pipes, incorporating valves and fittings in the appropriate locations for easy disassembly in case of any future repair. Even with a well-thought-out plan indicating the path and direction of each pipe, it was still a challenging task. Since the entire system was intended to operate on a timer, I made the decision to create a small collection tray using roofing felt. I will install a float switch in the tray, which will automatically shut off everything in case of a leak, providing an added safety measure. Now it was time to connect the main hoses with appropriate fittings, completing the filtration side of the system. And don't miss the next video, where among other things, the pool will be set up, filled, and the pool deck will start to take shape. And if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.